Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cricket Highlight. Today, we will delve deep into the world of World Cup cricket matches and talk about the 1983 World Cup win. 1983 was the year that India was finally put on the map as a serious contender. The way that India had risen from being an underdog to being a champion made us all proud. From the secret about India's lack of a coach to the fitting reply given to people who didn't trust India, today we will tell you about 10 amazing 1983 World Cup win facts that we bet you never knew. Team India went to play in England without a coach, a doctor or a physiotherapist. Team India went to England to play in the 1983 World Cup without a coach, a doctor or even a physiotherapist. The 14-player team and their manager, P.R. Mansingh, were the only ones who made the journey to England to play the game that would change the course of Indian cricket forever. Former Hyderabad cricketer P.R. Mansingh was selected as the manager for the team after he won a vote against Niranjan Shah 15-13 in a special general meeting of the BCCI. He was also the manager of the Indian team in 1987 Reliance World Cup. Now, the teams go to play with coaches, doctors, and even assistants, all because of the victory that made the world realize that India is a serious contender when it comes to the world champion title. Mohinder Amarnath was the acting coach during matches. In the absence of a coach, Mohinder Amarnath acted as the coach during the 1983 World Cup matches. He was the one who decided the batting and bowling order of the team along with Sunil Gavaskar and Kapil Dev. Safe to say that he wasn't just a man who took charge and responsibility, but also a great batsman. Unknown to a lot of people, Mohinder Amarnath was the vice captain of Team India and he did his suits with due diligence. He was also the man of the match during the final and the semi-finals of the World Cup and was awarded about £600, which amounts to around Rs 9 lakh today. It was well deserved as well because he was one of the most important players in all the World Cup matches, and it was under his leadership that India snagged the World Cup title. India's odds. India had been playing very dominantly and it was very evident that India would win the match. During the betting going on in the World Cup finale, India's odds were played around 66:1. This just goes to show that Team India were destined to be the champions. Before the tournament started, people were telling the Indian team to withdraw because they did not have faith in the team to win. But against all odds, India made history in the 1983 World Cup. India had been at risk of being kicked out earlier during the match between India and Zimbabwe, but India somehow persevered and transformed from the underdog to the champion. Before the match, the cricketers were not confident that they would make it. Before they started actually playing, the cricketers were not confident that they would actually win the World Cup. They did not think that they would make it past the group stages. Few of them had already made other plans, such as Krishnamachari Srikanth, who had already booked flight tickets for a honeymoon in the US with his wife. India had never really won the World Cup before. It seemed to be a new format for them. Thus, no one really did think they would achieve what they did, but they still won and did the absolute unthinkable. Injured players still played their hearts out. Sandeep Madhusudan Patil, one of the best players who played in the 1983 World Cup for India, was injured as he had broken 2 ribs before Team India was scheduled to fly out to play in England. He had to travel and play without the supervision of a doctor, but he still played his heart out. Sandeep Patil hammered a brilliant unbeaten 51 of just 32 balls and helped India beat England in the semi-final of the 1983 World Cup. He is even labelled as one of the most impactful batsmen of India. David Frith's challenge. Before the tournament, no one believed that Team India would win. Wisden Cricketer Monthly editor David Frith said that India should withdraw from the World Cup since it could not adapt to one-day format. His harsh words were met by scrutiny, following which he said that he would eat his words if he turned out to be wrong. After India won the World Cup, he ate his published article and posted a picture in the newspaper while doing it. Thus, it was Team India who won that challenge. A big win for Balwinder Singh Sandhu. Medium pacer Balwinder Singh Sandhu gave India the first breakthrough in the final, getting rid of the dangerous West Indies opener Gordon Greenidge. The Caribbean batsman preferred leaving the ball only to see the in-swinger from Sandhu crash his leg stumps. Sandhu decided to make a visiting card with the picture of that moment as he loved it so much. Safe to say that it was an unforgettable moment for the man. He played a big part in India's final win in the 1983 World Cup, thus getting us the title of world champions. Lata Mangeshkar's warm welcome. After the news of Team India's World Cup win spread like wildfire through the country, veteran singer Lata Mangeshkar organized a concert to warmly welcome Team India back to their country. The money raised during the concert was evenly distributed between the 14 members, with each member getting about 1 lakh rupees. It should also be noted that the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, along with President Gyani Zail Singh, also warmly welcomed Team India back as they had made our country proud and proved to be champions in front of the whole world. They congratulated them on their victory. It wasn't just their victory, but it was a win for the whole of India. The pay increase from BCCI. Before the 1983 World Cup match, the pay for each cricketer for each match was around 12,500 rupees, which equals to about 1,95,760 rupees today. After the news of Team India's victory during 1983, the BCCI announced the prize of rupees 2 lakh for the whole team, which amounts to about 31.2 lakhs today. All the players accepted the cash prize except for Sunil Gavaskar. That, along with the money that the cricket team got from Lata Mangeshkar's concert, made them really rich after the World Cup. In our opinion, their newfound wealth was deserved as well, because of how the 1983 win gave India a newfound respect in the world of cricket. Kapil Dev saving the day. During a match between India and Zimbabwe, India was at the risk of being kicked out of the tournament. When all the hope felt lost, the team captain Kapil Dev himself entered the grounds and made 175 runs alone against Zimbabwe. The BBC didn't record the match, so it will forever remain a piece of lost media that we wished we could see. Surely it was an amazing sight to behold for the few lucky ones who got to see the match live. He is hailed as the godlike cricket captain for a reason after all. So, this was our list of 10 amazing facts you may not have known about the 1983 World Cup India win and everything they had to go through to achieve what they did. Team India made history that fateful day. It will be a match that generations of Indians will never forget. It was the win that made India one of the best cricket teams in the world. We hope you liked our video today. And if you did, remember to leave a like to show us your appreciation. Know any more interesting facts about the 1983 World Cup? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for your daily dose of cricket and enable all notifications to never miss another video from the Cricket Highlight.